This is the hiking group, no? What are you doing?
We go walking.
You go for the walk?
Yeah. See you, make content. Ciao, ciao, Captain. We love you. So today's vlog is about walking. We're gonna walk with the group. This is the group.
No.
This is the whole group. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
For camera today.
It's a little bit low on battery, so maybe we're not gonna make it.
The camera go on the boat today. You go walking.
No, I want to make.
Okay, guys, good luck. Ciao. Yeah, see you both, Wayne.
Nice cruise.
Nice crew, right?
Yeah.
Let's go for our own missions.
Yeah.
We don't need them.
Yeah, we have actually more exciting plans.
Yeah. Yeah, this canoe. Okay, there is the mission for today. We will drive canoe with the pirate crew, this one. And now we have to bring it from the top of the car all the way down to the beach. Bam! Oh yeah!
Good morning.
What?
Huh?
Oh my god.
Oh,
You're calling us. We're gonna show in there, man. I don't know what to say now.
it's okay. So we're kind of ready to do stuff. It's 5 of us.
Looks like because of the canoe. But you see, like, wow. Yeah, but this is parked up on the stones, huh?
Yeah, it's up on the stones.
Do you need someone else to get up
Yeah, it's a little bit.
with you?
Yeah,
A little bit, not
Yeah.
that much.
At least 2 people out and the rest down, no? I shall I go up? Adventure time.
Adventure time, oh yes. Nice. Grass with the spices. Nice. Alright?
Yeah, man. High protein grass. Does the camera woman want some grass?
Okay.
No. It's not easy. It's great though. No.
Alright.
So,
Are we ready? Okay, we're gonna take it down slowly. You guys take it.
Yeah.
So
I think we can go.
If if it moves a little bit.
Yeah, you can take it down. You got it?
Nice.
it looked more complicated, huh? Than it was.
It's good that you're with us. I mean, you know, the guy.
Usually we put it up and down with 2, huh?
Yeah.
Up, down, easy, yeah.
Yeah.
2 people, I can't imagine how you do it. Yeah, normally these rims are,
Pull it,
the
yeah.
wheels are there. Ah, okay.
Then we go down.
You can
Roll
so you
it.
just roll it. Okay.
Yeah, put it inside.
Under the seat.
Somebody can help me here on this side.
Ah, yeah. No.
There we go. Cool.
I think with 4 is super fine, huh?
Yes.
We got no blues in the water. We got water in the boat. We got no more burnt soul. We got
Nice.
in the sun is shining warm. We got we're going to canoe and we got the sun all day. No, that's how we gonna roll. No, that's how we about to do.
Oh.
Oh.
Whoa.
Swimming with each other we go.
Whoa.
Swimming in the sea we
Whoa.
How we gonna roll? The sea's carrying all the waves he's carrying.
Yeah.
Sea's carrying us to a destination. Carrying us to the next station.
Yeah.
Here is more comfortable.
Yeah, this is much better. Recording without the naked people. No, let's drop it here. Okay, it's good enough. Wow, yes. Woo.
Naked
Huh?
What if I go naked?
No, no. Boom. So Sapa will prepare sail.
I try.
I will prepare a flag. Yeah, at least we will have a flag on the boat and probably sail.
Next clip. Completely didn't work.
My logs.
A sail, yeah?
Huh?
A sail.
Yeah, take it. Stick, bamboo stick or
The bamboo
something.
stick, yes. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's getting hot. It's good, enough. We don't need
Yeah,
so long.
looks good, yeah. Wow.
I will throw it. I will block it here.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, should help. But this is too long, I think, for the body. I mean,
Yeah, it's very long.
this will be enough. What? One more stick?
This one is for the sailman. It's windproof.
Yeah, nice.
It's not so windy, but
This is the front, no? There you go.
you think that's the front?
Bang!
Like when it's on the top, it will be difficult. It's easier to get this one down and then just put it down, you know? And then pull this one up and it will pull itself up and boom.
Stick on the bottom,
You let
yeah?
it go. See if it moves sideways. Yeah, it will take wind, bro. Wow, it's huge, man.
Yeah,
It's a big sail, bro.
No, but maybe we can cut some or
No, I think
because
it's
we
good.
with the rope we will attach the corner there on the
Oh, you think
corners.
it's too high up?
Look.
Oh, like that. Yeah, exactly. This is it. Wow.
It works.
Man. So
We just
let's.
have to tie it. But I want some more rope actually. This one needs to be put in the middle. Boom. Yeah, up. In the middle for a second. Yeah, I can keep my front one. What the fuck? What do we do?
Yeah.
It's unbelievable. It's very good. Like wow,
I'm gonna tie it.
incredible.
Look,
Bang, pirate life.
I'm gonna tie it here.
Man, yeah, we created fucking pirate boat here out of the canoe. Now we have sail, flag and all this stuff.
Man, it looks like a Viking boat.
Yes.
Live from Alberquias, going to Morocco. Let's go. Okay, we take it?
Yeah, we take it.
Chalo, let's go, man. Wow, the mast is going sideways. Over the first wave and then we push. Yeah, over the first wave. Boom. And inside. Yes, I.
So, I will be. So, you wanna sit there or in the front with the camera?
Same.
Camera guy on the front.
Yeah? Okay. Okay, stay centered, stay centered.
How did that happen?
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we did.
Bye bye, Alberquias. Let's go. Good job, Eli. Captain on the push. Captain on the row. Wow, the water is incredible. I can put this underwater, right? Yeah, I can.
You just have to clean it after in the sweet water because there is the salt.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Pull up the sail.
Yeah.
All right. Raise the sail.
Oh yeah.
It twisted around. It's twisted around the main thing once actually. Did you see?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, it is.
So it's maybe better to pull it back down and we turn it
No,
around
it's
one
not
time.
anymore.
It's okay.
It is. It is actually.
No,
It's
Yeah, I
it's
can
different
see
rope.
it.
It's a different rope, you see.
So, we're going in direction to waterfall or where?
Yeah, let's go that side.
Waterfall there?
Where's the wind blowing?
Yeah, wind blowing.
Does anybody know how to sail?
Okay, walk.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see where the wind is blowing.
Maybe it's better to go from the back a little bit.
Yeah, wow. The pirate flag, Alberquias behind, strong crew in front, under the sail.
Bomboli.
Wow, it's very beautiful, guys.
I wonder what Toby is thinking.
Small rapport, 25 days in open ocean.
Oh,
We are run out of the food and water. Today I drank my pee. And we don't know what to do.
but we still have ganja and orange.
So one more. Ahoy!
Any life! Any life!
So guys, what do you think? It's already Canada or New Zealand? Where we are?
Seems like a barren land, man.
Yeah.
Not much life going on. Watch out, crew members! We are entering dangerous area. All hands on deck. Wow.
Oh, it's broke.
No.
Okay, what's happening? Where is it? Can I check?
Because I started with a bit and then it was very, very, very quickly that it's not.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
But you were like pushing against me.
Yeah.
shit.
In the wind. Oh no! Now it's fucked. Now it's fucked. Not really even. There's another way to do it, you know. You attach one to the top, one corner to the front, and you hold one, and you have a triangle.
A triangle, yes, yes, yes. Actually, it's possible.
Yeah.
So, should we make a triangle?
Let's make a triangle. Let's do it.
Okay.
If you want even, you take this one, and it becomes a triangle.
Yes.
Yeah. Nice.
And then this you can just flap around if it wants to. You can roll it up. You feel like it? Is there some rope you can use?
Yeah.
And yeah, away.
Yeah? We don't need it.
Maybe.
Maybe not. I throw it. Less weight.
Yeah.
Bah. So the triangle is ready.
Triangle is ready. Let's go, pirates.
Yeah, one more orange and
And we have the power to go. Very good combo for staying alive. Especially in these sunny days here in the Costa del Sol. All you need is weed.
There he goes.
Weed. All you need is weed. Weed and oranges. All you need is weed and oranges to keep your sunshine alive. Let's go.
You'll find mayday. And there there is nice like a sacred bay, you know, we can swim there, we can smoke a joint, eat oranges, bang.
Sounds like a plan.
It looks like a tiny house of someone, man, in the canyon.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, we catch the wind. Whoa. Hey, oh. Whoa. 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 There we go, there we go. This is the place where we go smoking joint and swimming and all this stuff. Okay guys, prepare. It's gonna be tense.
Surfing.
Very carefully.
Ready? The waves? Yeah, man.
Very carefully. If something just push stick on the rocks.
It's Tortuga, man.
Huh?
It's Tortuga.
Yes.
It's Pirate Island.
Yeah.
Ready for Tortuga.
Wow.
Whoa. Oh, wait a second.
Sail.
Welcome home, pirates! Need to go left.
No, back.
Up.
Yeah, because I. Okay.
I think this is
Just
the
give
only way, man. On back.
Hey, give the camera to me.
So I would like to maybe swim and smoke a joint,
Yeah.
but we have to somehow hold us around.
Wow, look at us maneuvering through this without putting the
Wow.
sail down. Pirates.
Okay.
So we go back, we go over there. I think we can cross maybe, man.
Actually, I want. No. Let's go closer to this rock. I wanna climb up and jump to the water.
We have to roll, man.
Yeah.
No, not there. Where you go? Back.
No, man. We are going on here, man. Be careful.
No, back. I wanna jump to the water. From there. Okay, cool. Wow, you're good, huh?
Now we have to move.
Okay, well. Yeah.
No film. I'm gonna hold over here somewhere.
Everything is a bit.
What's up?
Pirate flag in the water, mayday!
My clothes. Okay, well.
I feel the boat scraping. Wow! I don't like. No, put something in between, please.
No,
if you
it's
can.
not touching.
Not touching?
No.
I'm keeping also on a distance. So, meanwhile, Captain July is preparing his epic jump. Crew members Santu and Shempe are keeping his boat alive. Boat! Oh, careful!
Careful.
Bro!
No. Hey, come on. Whoa. Okay.
Whoa!
This is shaken, because look, it's attached.
Oh no.
Okay.
Yeah, now it's loose.
Fuck. What is good?
Mission successful.
A boat is good? Nothing wrong?
Nothing wrong, no. Nothing wrong.
Okay, my clothes behind.
Yeah.
The wood is fine. The boat is fine. We are fine. Okay, this video can never go online. Why you wanna go backwards, bro? No, man.
No, there is my clothes.
Ah, shit.
Santo, can you catch it?
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh, careful. Oh,
Do you hold there?
I can't hold. We need to go back.
I'm almost there. Almost there.
Yeah!
Let's go out of here, fuck that.
Wow, shit, man. No, shit.
I hold left side, it's okay?
Yeah.
And right, alright. Wow, cool. Wow, poof. Toby, I'm so sorry.
It's okay, the boat's fine.
Yeah, everything is good.
I think so, at least. I didn't check too much, but... Yeah.
I think we took good care.
We are definitely not sinking.
So Sapa go out first.
Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah. Oh, I'm still kind of here.
Okay, get out. Out the pedal. Yeah, man. Wow. I just got smashed by the wave, man.
Paradise. We find the land, promised land.
The promised land of Narnia. Welcome to Pirate Bay. What to do? Ta-da, ta-da, ta-ta, ta-da, 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 ta-ta, ta-da. And so the pirates came ashore, knowing that they had to take a rest after all these big adventures.
There is somebody is living in a hut.
No, this is
empty.
Yeah, chilling space, man.
Nice,
Yeah.
cool.
Right over there is also the sun. I
Oof,
just realized.
yeah, I need the sun.
Let's go.